Hey guys, welcome back to 2016, where I am going to be doing my Sephora VIB sale haul. But it's been a while since I've said those words, you guys. You know it's been a while. I have not done a makeup video on my channel in probably 2 years. I definitely have not done a Sephora VIB sale haul in a while. I'll link my last one up here, which is definitely like early 2021, I think. Since that last video, I haven't even cared about when the sale was. You guys know I do love makeup, and I'm trying to channel 2016 Katie by having a full-blown smoky eye right now. Do you guys like? I obviously do love makeup, but I just find that these days I just can't be bothered with doing it anymore. Like, I just don't have the energy to do it. Is it because I'm 30 now? I don't know. I'm a VIB. I'm not a VIB Rouge anymore. You guys know I was a Rouge for a minute there. I'm not a VIB Rouge anymore because I barely shop with Sephora, but I am a VIB, so I did get to have 15% off. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got from the Sephora VIB sale, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Sephora, I feel like this is definitely where you're gonna want to be. So you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day there's a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. We post a lot. We post a lot over there. So you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing. This will probably be one of the most boring Sephora sale hauls that you'll see. I have a lot of makeup, so I'm not really trying to buy like so many things, but there are obviously some things that I just need for like my everyday makeup, which is not this. So this is my little box. Very little. It's honestly the smallest Sephora box I think I've ever gotten. So let's just see what we got. I got some face masks. I feel like since I turned 30, which I know is like really stupid, but I've been trying to focus more on my skincare than pretty much anything else. So I picked up 5 face masks. Right now, my skin is oily as hell. Like, I've never seen my skin this oily before. But the thing about me is that I don't care. I'm not going to buy like mattifying, drying things because in my opinion, that's just gonna make my skin age and like look worse. So I'm still gonna try to nourish it, make sure it's hydrated, make sure she's nice and plump. So the 5 masks that I got are all by the Sephora brand, I'm pretty sure. The first one is the Sephora Vitamin B6 Mask with Mango. I freaking love mango, and that has nothing to do with why I picked this up, but just so you know, freaking love mango. Okay. It just says that this is known for its concentration of sugars, proteins, and amino acids. Mango has hydrating properties, which are ideal in nourishing the skin. That all sounds great to me, so can't wait to use that. We got 4 more masks. This one is the Sephora Quenching and Plumping Effect. Like, yeah, I want that. This is like the watermelon one, I guess. And this just says it is moisturizing hyaluronic acid and quenching watermelon extract. This one I think is the lychee one. Apparently it's supposed to promote hydration and glowing skin. There's a coconut one. I have used this coconut one before. I'm not 100% sure if I've used any of the ones I just showed you guys, but I know for sure that I definitely used this coconut one before, and I freaking loved it. I actually wear my masks, and I know this is gonna make some of you like really question why you're subscribed to me or why you're even watching this video, but I actually wear most of my like face masks or even my under eye masks in the morning. Like, I'll take a shower before I go to work, I'll put it on, and then I'll drive to work, and then once I get to my job, which is like 15-20 minutes away, I'll take it off and walk into my job, and I have like the most glowing plump skin ever. If I do it at night, it's like I'm just gonna rub my face all over my pillow, and like that's not helpful to me. So at least at work, I know I'm sitting there for 8 hours. I'm letting that shit sink in. I'm going to come home, and then at that point, it's already been, you know, nice, and my skin's already looking good. This one is also supposed to be for hydration and to repair the skin. It has hyaluronic acid and soothing watermelon extract and nourishing coconut extract. Very excited about that one. And then the last one, I did not expect to be talking about these for this long, but okay. The last one is a blueberry extract. It's moisturizing hyaluronic acid, skin perfecting and radiance pineapple extract, and blueberry extract. And this one is supposed to be also for improved skin texture and glowy skin, which again sounds great. Alana loves to do those face masks with me, and it's really annoying because I'm like,
you have perfect skin, like you're 6. What do you need those for?
But you know, if she likes it, if it makes her happy, like whatever. Speaking of skincare, the next thing I got was the Murad Targeted Eye Depuffer For me, one of my biggest concerns with my skin is my under eyes. I feel like my under eyes, I mean, obviously not now because there's 15 pounds of concealer and powder on them. My under eyes, I feel like get very puffy and I need them to be super hydrated and depuffed at all times. And I love Saraí, which you guys know is one of my favorite influencers and has like the most perfect skin in the history of life. Recommended this on her stories. I don't know if it was like sponsored or whatever. I'm pretty sure she's like a partner with Murad, but I don't care because her skin looks so good. I don't care what she tells me to use. I'm gonna use it. So this is what it looks like here. It does have like this little ball, I guess, that would help kind of depuff the under eyes. And then this is where the actual product comes out. So I'm excited. I also was looking at the Murad under eye patches and I almost bought them, but I've been using the Shiseido ones and I'll link them in the description box. And I really love those. Okay. If you guys ever see me with under eye patches on, those are the ones that I'm using. And I figure if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And I didn't order them, although I kind of should have. But I didn't order it because I have like a good amount left. Like I recently ordered them before the sale, like an asshole, even though they're like $70. I think that is the last piece of skincare. So let's move into makeup. The next thing that I got is the Urban Decay Brow Blade. You guys, I'm sure already know if you've seen any of my makeup videos, which again, those were years and years and years ago. So maybe you don't know, but this is what I use every single day for my eyebrows. I'm not going to open this because I'm already using one that's pretty new, but this is what I use in my eyebrows. Well, I'm just going to open it. Just got to open it. I'm going to do it. So this is like a dual-ended pen. Mine is in the shade Blackout, by the way, which is the darkest shade. And I like this shade because obviously my hair is like pretty dark, but also it doesn't have any warmth in it. And I hate warmth in my eyebrows. If you want to know one thing about my makeup preference, is that I hate warmth in my eyebrows. It is dual-ended, but I only use this side. This is like the pen side. I don't ever use this side. I used to, but I just find that I like my eyebrows better without it. I do really like a fluffy brow, which I don't think I ever expected myself to say, but things happen, man. Times change. I like a fluffy brow now. I also use the Anastasia Brow Freeze, which I already have a backup of, so I did not order one in the sale, but I feel like it gives me the perfect look that I'm going for. I have a pimple right here in my eyebrow, by the way, so in case you're wondering why it looks like that, now you know. The next thing I picked up is a Natasha Denona Macro Tech Eye Crayon. I've never used this before, but I have high hopes because I think Natasha Denona is one of the best brands when it comes to like eye products. So I figured that I would give this a try because I don't really have a go-to black eye pencil at the moment. Right now I'm using the Dose of Colors one, which I like, but I don't love, like I'm not obsessed with it. So I figure I would try this one out. This is in the color black.
Can I open this? Oh my God, I can't open this? Am I the weakest person that I know? Elver? Can you open this for me, please? Please note Elver is also struggling. Was that the hardest thing ever? Thank you.
So here's the pencil. I'm just gonna do like a quick swatch so we can see how. Oh, hell yeah. I'm going to get my Dose of Colors one just to see how it looks together. And no shade to Dose of Colors because I like Dose of Colors. So this is my Dose of Colors pencil. This is in the color Caviar. So the bottom one is the Dose of Colors one. And then the top one is the Natasha Denona one. The Dose of Colors one almost looks brown. So I'm kind of excited. I hope that this will last on my waterline also because like who doesn't want that? Well, since we're talking about eyeliner, let's talk about liquid liner. I used to use the NYX matte liquid liner and I loved it, but I feel like they changed the formula because I bought a new one and it was really watery and weird. I found what I think is the best eyeliner. So this is from the Sephora brand. I'm very specific about my liquid eyeliners because I just don't like everything and that's just what it is. I don't like when they come with like a felt tip. So like the Anastasia Beverly Hills one is very matte, very black, but it comes with a felt tip and I like a brush applicator. So I was just, I was looking for the one. And to me, this is the one and for such a good price. So I am going to swatch it here for you. Look at that. And it dries so matte and I just find it to be so easy to apply. You guys can see it. It's right here. I just absolutely love it, you guys. I'm a big fan. I also like the Lime Crime one. I did try that one as well, but only in the black because I tried colored ones from Lime Crime and I don't like them as much. The black one is pretty good, but I like this one better. So speaking of essentials, I got the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the anti-aging version. And this is clear. There is no color to this. And the reason that I got this is because I always prime my eyebrows. Right now I'm using just the original primer potion that is colorless. I'm just ripping this open. I don't even have home training at all. So right now I'm just using the regular original primer potion, which I absolutely love. I'm having no problems with it, but I thought I would just try this one, you know, anti-aging. Mama's 30. We got to do what we got to do. Okay. So this is what it looks like. This is what they all look like. I also like the one in Eden to prime for eyeshadows. I did use it today, actually. So this is what the brush looks like. And again, this is just a clear, you can like barely see it on my hand over here. It just looks a little shimmery, but I like to have a primer down before I actually start going in with my Urban Decay brow pen, because I feel like it gives like a little bit more grip and it makes my brows last a little bit longer. So I decided to try this one out. Hopefully it's good. The next thing is dual lash glue. How boring could I have gotten? I always need to buy these over and over again, like all the time, because you guys know I wear lashes every single time I do my makeup. I wish that I could be one of the girlies who does not wear eyelashes every single time, but I just can't be. I just can't be. I'm sorry. There's just no way with the amount of eyeshadow that I put on, or the amount of eyeliner, or the amount of makeup that I put on in general, that my makeup is going to look balanced without at least a good pair of eyelashes. Okay. I just can't do it. I'm sorry. If you can do it, like, kudos to you. You're cooler than me, but I need eyelashes, and pretty big ones at that. Okay. So I needed to stock up on my lash glue. I have some, but you know, when the bottle's getting all like crusty and there's like dusty glue all over it, like it's time, you know, it's time for her to kick the bucket. But I'm excited to have another one of those. And since we're talking about lashes, the last two things in my box are both eyelashes. And they are the same pair of eyelashes, but this is just one of my absolute favorite pairs of eyelashes of all time. Like, I love these. These by Velour. These are in the style She-E-O, I'm pretty sure. Yes, She-E-O. If you will ever focus, thank you. I just feel like these are perfect. They are long enough to where I feel like they actually stand out when I wear them. But at the same time, they give you like a girly kind of flirty appearance, which I absolutely love. So I had to pick up two pairs during the sale. There was just no way that I was going to not buy these. I absolutely love these. And I think that lashes make the biggest difference when you're doing your makeup. Like, other things obviously matter, but for me, lashes are like the center of attention. Lashes and eyeshadow, that like, those are my girls right there. Those are my girls. So I'm so excited about that. But yeah, guys, that completes my Sephora sale haul. I know it's definitely not exciting. There's no eyeshadow palettes, because I don't really think when the sale rolls around that that's what you should be prioritizing, is like colored items, unless they're like restocking your favorites. I think the most important thing is restocking the things that you love, the things that you know that you're going to be buying anyways, or getting some of those bigger ticket items like, you know, expensive perfumes, or getting like Dysons. I know that's like, I mean, I bought my Dyson literally during the sale, and I had no regrets there. I just think that those are the things that you should be prioritizing during the sale, but obviously do you. You buy what you want. Don't let me tell you what to do. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys thought about the items that I picked up. Are you excited that I am doing a little bit of beauty content? I am thinking of doing a get ready with me. I received a couple DMs of people asking me if I was ever going to do those again. And I really didn't think that I was going to, but I do feel like I have some chatting that I want to do, and like, why not do it while I'm putting my makeup on? So let me know in the comments if that's something you guys would be interested in. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there, and that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I will say, by the way, I'm very disappointed in myself, because I did this makeup, which is pretty normal for what I used to do, and I almost didn't recognize myself.